Solve tan 15 by 2, that is solve for tan 7.5 degrees. So for this, first we have to find tan 15 degree. For that we have to use the formula tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Here for getting here 15 degree, we know that x can be taken as 45 degree and y can be taken as 30 degree. So that this will be like tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. So here x is 45 degree and y is 30 degree, so that we get here 15 degrees. Because we don't know the real tan 15 degree. If we know tan 15 degree, we can find tan 15 by 2 also. But since we don't know tan 15 degree, we are trying to find it using this formula. So tan 45 by minus 30 degree can be written as tan 45 degree minus tan y is tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. That is equal to tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So 1 minus 0.77, 1 minus 0.577 divided by 1 plus 0.577. That is equal to 0.2682. So what we got? Tan 45 minus 30, that is tan 15 degree is 0.2682. Now we will calculate for tan 15 by 2 degree. For this, what we will use is tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So here we have tan 2x is x is equal to 15 by 2. If we are taking, then tan 2x is 15. Tan 15 is known to us. So tan 2x, here for x I will substitute 15 by 2. Then this term will become tan of 2 into 15 by 2, that is 15 degree, is equal to 2 tan 15 by 2 by 1 minus tan 15 by 2 square, tan square x. So I am taking tan 15 by 2 as some k. So I am taking, see here, I am taking tan 15 by 2 as some k. So this term will become 2 tan 15 by 2 will be our k divided by 1 minus k square. That is equal to, I know that tan 15 degree is 0.2682. So I can substitute 2k by 1 minus k square is equal to 0.2682. Now I can cross multiply this term, then I will get 2k is equal to 0.2682 into 1 minus k square. That is 2k is equal to 0.2682 minus 0.2682 k square. So this is a quadratic equation. So I will take this as 0.2682 k square plus 2k minus 0.2682 is equal to 0. So I can solve this using, we know how to solve a quadratic equation. So how we will solve? K is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, that is plus 4 into this square term will come, 0.2682 square will come, divided by 2 into 0.2682. 2a term is 0.2682. After solving for k, we get two values, 0.130 and minus 7.58. This is obvious because this is a quadratic equation. But we know that what is our k, that is tan 15 by 2. You know that this is a degree which is less than 90. In less than 90, that means in the first quadrant tan value is positive. So we can take only this solution. This is not acceptable. So our tan 15 by 2 is equal to 0.130. This is how you solve for tan 15 by 2 degrees.